Wow, I accidentally clicked the wrong button. I'm kind of really pissed right now. So I had to start the video all over again. So I guess it's gonna be part 2. I really hoping to do this in one video. God, I screwed that up. Hopefully you guys will watch this one also. If you haven't seen part 1, I pulled that Ezekiel Elliott um, red crystal. Yeah, I'm pretty mad. I clicked the wrong button after I paused the video. Yeah, I'm not happy right now. Okay. Ted Ginn, Ohio State, Golden Tate, Andre Williams, Josh Norman, Antonio Gates, Torrey Smith, Robert Woods, Kevin White, Steve Young Prizm. We got Dion Lewis, Devin Fuller, and Derrick Henry. Rookies. Dion Lewis blue, numbered 100 of 199. Was a big fan of him back in college at Pittsburgh. Still kind of mad that I clicked the wrong button. Of course, it's my own fault. Ezekiel Elliott red crystal. I have to look that up, but I'm definitely not selling it. That's for sure. If no one messages me, whoa. If nobody messages me about any of the cards, I'm just gonna put them up on my eBay. Austin Safarian Jenkins, Jalen Strong, Larry Donnell, whatever, Michael Irvin, Kenny Britt, Colby Fleener, Randall Cobb, Charkandrick West. Oh, there we go. There's a Dak. It's not an actual rookie, but insert. Dak Prescott rookie introductions. Not numbered, but we got I think this is a Blue Wave, Noah Spence. X Buckeye. 4 of 149. I'll be keeping that. Seth DeValve, Leonard Floyd rookie. Yeah, we got a Dak. Wasn't a Dak rookie, like actual rookie card. But hey, it's still better than nothing. Put that over there. 3 more packs. And yes, I saved the 3rd autograph pack for last. Okay. Delaney Walker, Rob Gronkowski, Danny Woodhead, Carson Palmer, Tyrod Taylor, Matt Ryan, Jordan Reed, Brett Favre, Quentin Patton Prizm, Dan Marino, Orange, 155 of 299, Kenny Lawler, and a Joey Bosa rookie. Nice. And keep the Buckeyes coming. And I think that last autograph was a Buckeye, but I'm not sure because let's just say that I seen the first letter of the player's first and last name, and he shares a name with another rookie. Let's just say that. Kamar Aiken, Travis Kelce, DeMarco Murray, Dion Lewis, Philip Dorsett, Devontae Adams, Eli Manning, Emmanuel Sanders, Marcus Mariota, Shining Stars, Austin Seferian Jenkins, Blue Wave, 109 of 149. Jalen Smith rookie and Sheldon Rankins. Cool. I'm supposed to be putting the rookies over there. I'm forgetting. Jalen Smith hopefully comes back 100% and helps the team out next year. If so, and he does good, we got a steal in the draft in the second round. Let's just hope. And the last pack before we go to that last autograph pack. We got Eric Ebron, Marcel Reese, Todd Gurley, Justin Forsett, Brandon Marshall. Jay Ajayi's been killing it lately. Brandon Cooks. Come on, focus. Oh. D'Angelo Williams, Mark Ingram Prizm, Paul Perkins Blue, DeMarcus Ayers and Daniel Braverman rookies. Paul Perkins rookie blue parallel, number 195 of 199. Okie dokie. Let's count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the Elliott, the 10th one. Beautiful card. And now the last pack with the auto in it. We're gonna move the Ricardo Lewis, Tyler Boyd rookie. I collect him. I still think he's the best receiver in the draft. He's just not showing it yet. Oh my God. Second time I did that. I'm just hyped. Really hyped. Crabtree, Chris Ivory, Martellus Bennett, Alshon Jeffrey, Joe Namath, Tavon Austin, Devontae Parker, Dan Marino, Prizm, and the last card. Yes, it is who I think it is. Boom. Michael Thomas from The Ohio State University, Blue Wave autograph. Nice way to finish it off. A beautiful card, and he's killing it right now. I think he's definitely the best receiver right now from the draft. Number 14 of 149. Just one off his jersey number. Beautiful, beautiful. I didn't get a Dak or Elliott autograph, but there's always another day. More packs to open, more boxes to open. I got two beautiful Ohio State hits that won't be leaving my collection. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you see anything you like. Let me know. Until next time, I'm probably going to place an order for Panini Phoenix after I upload video. So yeah, it's a great opening. Until next time, peace. Go watch part 1. I screwed up. So yeah.